Hi friends, let me show you this bathroom faucet that I received for reviewing purposes. Okay, you get the installation instructions, everything you need to install it and connect it to the water in your home. Well, I gave some shower cups and a bag for some accessories. This is the actual faucet. As you can see, it has a detachable part, so you can bring water wherever you need it. And it will tell you the temperature of the water, so you don't make a mistake if it's too hot or too cold. Here we will have that information. I'm going to show you. You get all the accessories that you need to install it. Okay. Perfect. Let's try it. So you can see the faucet is ready. It gives you the temperature of the water here from cold to hot. As you can see, it goes up in Celsius degrees, and you can use it like this, like a shower or straight, or you can do the waterfall effect. So it's really nice. It gives you temperature, and if you need to use it like this is a really beautiful waterfall. So if you need a faucet like this for your kitchen, for your bathroom, for your any guest room, this is a really nice faucet with 3 different ways of pouring water: the waterfall, the regular, and like this shower, always going back to its place. Perfect.